Baking soda can work against ants, but it is not a guaranteed permanent solution compared to chemical sprays and traps. Baking soda kills ants when combined with an acidic bait because it reacts with acid in the ant digestive system and produces carbon dioxide that can be lethal. Use a mixture of equal parts baking soda and powdered sugar or honey to attract ants. Place tiny amounts on index cards or shallow lids and refresh every 2 days until activity declines. For indoor use, keep baits in locations out of reach of children and pets and sweep up excess to avoid mold or moisture, reducing effectiveness. For outdoor use, apply bait near trails and entry points but protected from rain by a small cover or shallow dish. Note that rain will wash away the powder and reduce results. Chemical sprays deliver a quick, visible kill and can suppress an infestation immediately by contact toxicity and residual action on treated surfaces, which interrupts trails and deters reinvasion for a period. Traps with slow-acting toxicants work by allowing workers to carry poison back to the colony, producing colony decline over weeks, making them more likely to achieve long-term control than baking soda alone when used correctly. The most common mistake is relying on baking soda alone without an attractive bait, which means ants will ignore the powder and the method fails. So always mix with a sweet attractant or protein source depending on the species. Another frequent issue is applying chemical sprays indiscriminately, which causes surface contamination and harms non-target organisms, so limit sprays to targeted crack and crevice treatments, read labels, and ventilate treated areas. A third problem is treating visible ants but not locating entry points or nests, so follow trails back to their source, seal access with caulk or weather stripping, and use exterior perimeter treatments or baiting to address the colony rather than just the foragers. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to offer a discussion community where people share experiences about pest control methods and contractors. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to engage with homeowners and respond to project questions.